How to make cheddar broccoli soup. Cheddar broccoli soup is rich, tastes delicious, and is so easy to make. Here's how. What you need: 4 tablespoons butter, 1 onion, salt and pepper to taste, 3 cloves minced garlic, a quarter cup of flour, 2 cups whole milk, 2 cups vegetable or chicken broth, 1 large shredded carrot, 3 cups of chopped broccoli, half a teaspoon Dijon mustard, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. Step 1. Use a grater to finely shred the carrot. Step 2. Dice the onion. Step 3. Chop the broccoli. Step 4. Grate the cheese. Step 5. Set your stovetop to medium heat and to a large pot add the butter and let it melt, and then add the onions and cook, stirring often until the onions are tender. Season with some salt and pepper. Step 6. Once the onions are tender, add the garlic and stir for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. Step 7. Add the flour and stir continuously for a few minutes until the flour turns a golden color. Step 8. Add the milk and stir continuously. Step 9. Add the broth, broccoli, carrot, and mustard. Step 10. Stir to mix together and allow the soup to simmer for about 20 minutes or until the broccoli is tender. Step 11. Add the cheese in stages while stirring until all the cheese melts. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for more tasty recipes every week. Bye for now.